All right, folks, here we are with Drew Moss cards, another edition added to the list. We're not doing the football and the sports and all that stuff today. We are doing Elestrals. So this is Elestrals. We have Shattered Stars here, a Dionysus starter deck. This is an auto that was already pulled. We've got Elestrals Shattered Stars. We might start with that, start with a banger. And then we've got these starter decks here. So we're going to start with a banger, get the video going good. I'm not sure what a lot of this stuff is, so if you do know, you can look, comment down below, educate us a little bit. Guess we don't need enough for this one. So in here you got 3x8 card booster pack, 1 surprise sticker, okay. So here's your surprise sticker. It is a Bolt. He's got a little stick to him there. Gotta be careful. Looks like a nice card stock, though. Alright, here we go, folks. Sluggle, Bubloon, Tadpuff, Veratiqua, Harpy. Here's a hologram Baruta Aqua, hologram of Leviathan, and a Leviathan non-hollow. If that's what they call them, hollows, I imagine so. But it's a nice card stock, nice rounded edges, a little better than the. I'm gonna sleeve them hollows up and put them on top. Kaizen, come here. All right, that was one. Yeah, I guess that. You wanna watch? This is another chair right there. You can open one too, man. Help us with the names. Oh yeah, that wheel's messed up. Sorry. You might want to switch chairs. All right. Here's another Sluggle, another Bublon, another Tadpuff. This is starting out the same as the last pack. Veratiqua, Harpy. Looks like we do have a nice hit back here. Here's our Sluggle holographic. Thank you. Now here's a hit. How good of a card this is, I don't know. What it's called, I don't know. It looks like a stained glass mosaic. It's a full card illustration of Poseidon. You know about that? All right, so we've had a few nice looking cards. That's going to be our big hit there. That's the one that's going to make you famous. All right, I'll open up. You want to try one, Kaizen? You want to try reading some of these names off? It's not as cool as Pokemon.
I might try to do some.
All right, let me know. Oh, Babylon, Tadpuff. It's in the same on every one. Veratiqua, Harpy. Ooh, that's a nice looking Tadpuff. Look at this beautiful card. Poseidon's Fury.
Oh, that's a nice holographic.
It's a nice looking card, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. Holographic.
Now, how valuable these are, we're not really sure, folks. All right, we're going to try to go for 15 minutes. This is going to be part 1 of our Elestrals rip. Jack, do you want to open up this box? This sticker, is this the one? Yeah. There's a knife here if you need it. All right. Sleeve up Sluggle. It's all the kids' favorite. Sluggle.
That looks cute to me.
Yeah. Alright, we're opening up another box, folks. I'm going to sleeve up some of these holographics. Here we go. Rocking and rolling, living a dream. Looks like we've got quite a few here.
It's 3 packs and then a starter deck thing.
And we have a, I'm not going to open it all the way up. Looks like a big poster, folks. Big poster. Alright. So the starter deck is there. Are we ripping that too?
Yeah,
Here's your
there's
starter
actually
deck.
a chance of getting like a hollow stuff in those too. But if it does, it'd be in the first like 2 cards.
Okay, I think I see them on top there. Alright. What do you think of Elestrals so far? Pretty cool.
Mm-hmm.
You ever heard of it before? Now, is this a TV show? Do we know, Jack?
No, it's just a card game for now, but they're also making a video game.
Ooh.
Like this was from the Kickstarter stuff.
Sprout Tier. Glimbat. Bubballoon for the same as every pack. Hellmelt. Blizzard. Ivory. Theraheart. Catarant. And Coline will be your County will be your hits there.
But also, it's also elements that you could that's hers.
Typhlant. Humbust. Your sickle. My sickle. Tritaya. Thyrus of Dionysus. Krakatuga. Guardian of Light. Barabib. Solar Burst. And Aloon. Alright. These don't seem to have as much hits. Obviously, the last pack was,
Those were like guaranteed ones.
yeah. Our first thing we ripped was guaranteed hits. Because we had some nice looking cards coming out of there. These, I don't think are guaranteed hits. If anybody knows more, let us know. If you're an Elestrals person, welcome to the channel. Alright, we got Spark It, P-Gust, Dense Fog, Hellnote, Bandaloon, Gigaflora, Peliquarius, Humburst, looks like a decent guy. Alright, now for this, we may have some hits in here, and they're going to be on top, from what I've been told. Maybe I should use my handy dandy knife here. Alright, that should get it. They did a heck of a job packaging this. There it is, folks. Sorry about that. We'll go 5 more minutes on this video, and you can catch part 2 right after, alright? Looks like our hit's going to be on top here. So we got a Lad Dogon.
It would just be the second card.
Everything else looks like base, folks. Nice looking stuff. Base. Alright. Next up, let's go back to our hit stick. Packs are loaded with hits, so let's rip 3 more of these packs. We have a solo card here. It is a Leonite. Interesting. We have a sticker. His name is Ampup. All right, 3 packs. We got Shattered Stars for all of them. All right, let's let it rip, folks. Let's let it rip. We're hoping for some hits here. Rip it or ship it.
Rip it.
Vase, Your Seer, Fun Guide, Helmet, Kinlea looking good. The Sirocco of Notice looking pretty nice. Elestrals. Elestrals Mega Rip here, alright. Emprix, Kinlea, Yerseer, Fungi, Helmet, Fungi. Oh, I think we hit something, folks. Look at that beautiful card. What do you think of that one, Kaizen? Hephaestus. It's gotta be a hit. So you're just gonna see some of the ones we got so far. Looking pretty good. We'll stop this first video after this pack. And we'll continue up with part 2 later. Emprix, Kinlea, Yerseer, Fungi, Helmet Hollow, and Castlea. We'll get them sleeved up. Ooh, Castlea is my lucky number 13 on that side. I like that card. All right, let us know, folks. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.